Hey, how you doing? My name is Eric Delmark, and I will be presenting today the Team 14 project. Um, Basically, going into information and testing. So, to recap, um, what we've been going through is we've created a GitHub page to host the IP and binary converter for our project. So, we wanted to make sure that we can have a GitHub page so we can reference our repos or reference our what's it called, different versions in different software with all in that one infrastructure. And we was able to create that um, to begin building the website for the project. Also, what we also did is we implemented and tested code files with the same repo as a web converter, and that will be the main focus of this presentation. So when we're talking about implementing and testing things, we want to start with implementation. So the files that we're implementing are CSS, HTML, JavaScript, and Python files. And what we want to do is we want to create the web page, obviously using the HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript, so they can combine with each other to create the overall look and feel of the website, while also creating some functionality within it. And with the JavaScript, we want to be able to connect it with the Python files, which in itself would have the IP converter. So we want to connect that together so we can have a user interface, and also we want to be able to not only have a user interface but also make everything based on our system and design and analysis thing come to fruition, going from design to into fruition. Also, we want to create our domain. We want to have a domain and server configuration for our GitHub page instead of just having the IP address. We want to figure that, but also have a domain name and be able to have everything connected seamlessly. So that's one of our main focuses when right now, especially when it comes to implementing this website, because that's pretty much everything we need to make everything run in production. Now, when we're talking about what's being tested, right now the main things that are being tested is functionality with the website, and also functionality with the actual file or the actual program. So to do that, we want to first verify that the converter produces correct outputs from inputs, making sure that the converter itself is still great, using different various methods and different examples. We also want to do that within the actual website and make sure that the converter is good, and make sure that when you go on the website, it works the same as when it's not out the website. We want to verify the code compatibility from the web application perspective. So we want to make sure that our Python and our HTML and all the code files that we have are compatible with everything, or compatible with each other. So when you go on the website, there isn't any errors when pulling those files, or make sure that every version is correct. Verify that there are any errors with files and compilation. Same thing with that. We want to make sure with nested files and the infrastructure of where we have our file system, that everything is clean and clear, and that there isn't any errors. And also, we want to verify the domain name legitimacy to make sure that once we go on this website, that we're clearly in that website. We're we don't have any issues. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this. Y'all have a good day.